This is the new Huawei Y8S hands-on and quick review. But before that guys, please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more notifications and for more tech reviews.
Double cup, big straight, holy nuts. I don't want friends, I want Audis. Smoking on booth in his Maui.
Huawei just recently launched their new mid-range phone, which is the Huawei Y8S with aggressive price range. This phone will be available next week and pre-order globally. Design-wise guys, I can really say that Huawei always did a great job in all their smartphones, and with this price tag, this phone is awesome. It's really cool. It has 6.4 Full HD Plus resolution, which is 1080 by 2340 IPS LCD screen and 396 ppi density. It has plastic frame with polycarbonate back design, and it looks like a premium smartphone. In the left side, there's a SIM card slot that you can put 2 SIM cards and dedicated SD card that you can expand up to 512 GB storage. In the bottom part, there are headphone jack, one microphone, micro USB adapter, and speaker grills. And at the right side, there are power button and volume control, and at the top, there is one additional microphone for noise cancelling. And for the color option, it has two beautiful color gradient, which is midnight black and emerald green. In terms of specifications, this phone has Huawei owned CPU, which is Kirin 710 12nm chipset with clock speed of octa-core 2.2 GHz with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB internal storage. Android 9 out of the box, upgradable to Android 10 and EMUI 9.1 with GPU of Mali G51 with GPU Turbo for better gaming performance.
And humans.
Your team destroyed a turret. Launch attack.
Making your foolish requests.
Request backup. Your team destroyed a turret. Launch attack.
And the good thing of this phone guys is still it has Google Play services and with built-in Play Store. So no need to worry about how you download applications, and you can enjoy all the services that Google offered like YouTube, Gmail, Google Drive and others. And in terms of battery, it has massive 4000 mAh battery that you can use up to 2 days of normal usage. As you noticed, it has dual rear and front camera. At the back, it has 48 megapixel AI main lens with f1.8 aperture and 2 megapixel f2.4 bokeh lens for portrait photos. And in the front, it has 8 megapixel f2.0 and 2 megapixel bokeh lens. And here are my sample photos. So guys, that is my first impression, hands-on and quick review of this new Huawei Y8S. What do you think guys? Just comment down below your opinion. And please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more notifications and for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you tomorrow. Peace out.